so we came to your house to give a
Slowly.
knowledge to you. First of all, I would like to tell I invited some nature lovers and psychologists
No,
to
nature
our
lovers.
nature lovers and
No,
psycho to our program. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Kokila. I am from Siamalaya. I am a student of Abhilasa Language Center of Galembidunava. My mother is Nadika, as well as my father is Lalit Sirpriyankara. Next, I would like to introduce our nature lovers to you.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Kokila, for giving this chance. For giving this chance. Actually speaking, I am Zitrande, and my mother's name is Dhammika, and my father's name is Gunawardhana. I am a student of Abhilasa Center of Galembidunava.
Abhilasa Language Center.
Abhilasha Language Center of Galembidunava. I live in Galembidunava, and I like learn English because it is very easy subject, and we can learn very easy. That's all. Thank you.
Very easily.
Yes, actually, thank you, Mr. Hasit. Next, I would like to give this chance to our next nature lover.
Thank you, Kokila, for give this chance.
For giving this chance.
For giving this chance. I'm Vasanta Kitsara. My mother's name is Subani Paitra and my father's name is Bandulu Padmakumara. I live in Galembidunava, and actually I'm a student of Abhilasha Learning Center. It is very good, and we can learn in English very easily. Thank you.
Yes, actually, next our nature lover.
Actually speaking, good evening, all of you. I am Rashmika Mihirangaratnayaka. I am from Chanandamavata, Nagadeva. My mother's name is Shiroma Lakshmi Palevela. My father is Sarath Ratnayaka. I am learning English from Abhilasha English
Abhilasha Language Center.
Abhilasha Language Center. Actually speaking, this is a good program for all of you, and thank you.
Yes, next I would like to give this chance to our next nature lover.
Thank you, Kokila, for giving this chance. For giving this chance. I am Randika. I am 20 years old. My father.
20 years old.
Yes. Thank you, sir. My father is Sena Ratna. My mother is Kumari. They are good teachers. I am a student of Abhilasha Language Center of Galembidunava. English is very easy language. So I like learn English every day. Thank you.
Actually, next I would like to give this chance to our next nature lover, Mr. Kavindu.
I am Kavindu. I live in Nicaragua. I am in 7. I am in grade 7. My father is Samantha. My mother is Vedun Kumar Priyani. I student of Abhilasha Language Center of Galembidunava. I like to English. Thank you.
Yes, actually, thank you, Mr. Kavindu. Next, I would like to invite to our Chamika.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening, everybody. I am Chamika. I am
Abhilasha Language Center of Galimudanaga. I like to English. Every day learn English.
Yes, actually, Jamika. Next, now I kindly invite to Mr. Tajit to introduce himself.
Good evening, our friends. My name is Tajid Sejid Bandaranayaka. My mother's name is Nandika. My father's name is Jagatn. They are good teachers. I'm from Galembudiravar. As well as I am a student of Abhilasha Learning Center College for students.
Abhilasha Language Center.
Abhilasha Language Center College.
College name bang Abhilasha Language Center.
Abhilasha Language Center.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Tajid. Next, today we are going to talking about nature pollution. Therefore, first of all, I kindly invite to Mr. Hasid to explain about this topic.
Thank you, Mr. Kokila, for giving this chance. First of all, I would like to tell, we are environment lovers. What's the meaning of environment? We can tell it was very usefully for our life. We must live in this country. Next, I would like to tell there are some peoples also live in this country because they have a very good oxygen for this country, but some peoples pollute it. They are very bad man. If they pollute our environment, oxygen also pollution, and they can't live in this country. They can die. Because we haven't oxygen. There are five pollutions in our country. Air pollution and mental pollution, water pollution, land pollution, and sound pollution. They are pollution of our country. And first of all, and next, I would like to tell how use of environment for with our country. Actually speaking, nobody can deny that our environment is we want environment for live this country. It also we can take example for use of environment. And not only that, as well as some our country, some people's work in agriculture. They want environment and a very good place.
Okay, yes, thank you, Mr. Hasid. Next, he told there are many parts. There are nature, that sound pollution, land pollution, and this water pollution and air pollution. Therefore, next I would like to invite Mr. Randika to explain about air pollution.
Pollution. part this topic. We want to our environment. Environment gave to us oxygen and lot of things. Trees and small plant as our brothers and sisters. This gold sentence told Mr. Seattle.
No.
Seattle is very
එම ආපහු ගන්න.
clever.
Take viewers. Like that. මෙහෙම ගහන්නේ නැහැ.
These trees lot these trees carbon dioxide transmit to oxygen. Not only that, they help a lot works. Next, I tell bad. This is bad work. What is it? It is people's work. People work. People do bad works. People has
People.
people has
Not people has. People have.
people have lot of garment and lot of vehicles. Not only that, they have lot of things. Therefore, that vehicle has a lot of air, bad air. Garment has lot of bad air. They we want oxygen for our life. Now we have wonderful work. What is it? We can be nature lovers. Then now we can protect our nature and lot of trees. We can protect our trees future. Thank you.